question asks us to predict the product when the hydrogenation reaction is performed with deuterium instead of hydrogen. The reaction actually doesn't really change. Deuterium is just an isotope of hydrogen, so the mechanism and the product will be the same. The only difference is we'll have deuterium incorporated into the product instead of hydrogen. So we'll end up with the same skeleton. We'll still have the dimethyl group. The alkene will get reduced to an alkane, so we'll have the ethyl group. The only difference is now we've added deuterium instead of hydrogen. So we will have a deuterium. The deuterium addition is a syn addition. Both of these carbons are now stereocenters, and so we'll have the syn addition of deuterium across the alkene. This is when deuterium adds to that top face of the alkene. It could also add to the bottom face of the alkene. And so we'll end up with the opposite product as well. These are the only two stereocenters in the molecule, and they've both changed between these two structures. So these are enantiomers. So this mixture of enantiomers is the product of the hydrogenation with deuterium of this particular alkene.